welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Harshit Mittal. I am student of UPS and currently pursuing MBA in Supply Chain and Logistics Management. Today video I want to talk about the most popular and respected companies for MBA students, especially in the domain of supply chain and logistics, and that is Accenture. In this video I will cover the four more important points, like basically the introduction of Accenture, the job title and the key roles and responsibilities, and fourth is the skills required and the career growth. So let's begin. Accenture is a global professional service company. It works with many large companies across the world and help companies improve their business performance. It helps them become fast, more efficient, and more digital. And Accenture works in areas like consulting, technology, data analytics, operations. Accenture is also well known for its strong professional culture and career growth. So now let's talk about job role at Accenture that is very suitable for MBA supply chain students. The job title is management trainee in supply chain and operations. Let me explain you in a simple way. Management trainee is a entry level job for fresher, and it's a job role for company provide training and the real business exposure in supply chain and operations, means managing how products move from supplier to customer, including planning, inventory, warehouse operations, transportations, delivery. So overall this job role is for people who want to build a career in logistics, supply chain management and operations. Now I will explain you the this role. Usually they do not do physical warehouse work. Your work is mostly office based and professional. Your responsibilities include the planning, coordination, improvement. Your work with data, dashboards, reports, and you work with teams and clients and vendors. So now let's talk about the job roles and responsibilities in this job. First, you support end-to-end supply chain operations. This means you support the full supply chain process from supplier to warehouse and finally the customer. The aim is to keep the process smooth and reduce the delay. Second, you support the inventory management. Inventory means stock. You monitor the stock levels, track which product are moving fast and track which product are slow moving. Your goal is basically to avoid the stock shortages and avoid the excess inventory, help reduce the cost and improve customer satisfaction. Third, you support warehouse operations. In a warehouse, many processes happen, for example, like receiving, storages, packing, and dispatch. In this role, you analyze these processes, help identify the errors and the delays. You support improvements in speed and accuracy. Fourth, the support training transport include transportation and logistics, and you may coordinate with transporters or logistic partners. The main goal is on time delivery and at the same time controlling the logistic costs. Fifth, you support the MIS reporting and the dashboards. MIS means management information system reports. It is basically the business reports for managers. You prepare reports for Excel's dashboard and performance updates. You help managers and clients understand what is happening in the operations. And the sixth, you support business process improvement and problem solving. In Accenture, this focus on improvement, so you identify the bottlenecks in the supply chain and you that is causing the delay or cost increase, and you suggest the practical solutions. So now let's talk about the KPIs. KPIs means key performing indicators. These KPIs measure the performance. In this role, some important KPIs are OTIF, lead time, inventory turnover. OTIF means on time in full delivery, means how much time it takes from order to delivery. Inventory turnover shows how stock is moving fast. Other KPIs include the order accuracy, dispatch turnaround time, logistic cost per unit. In Accenture, performance is measured using these numbers and results what matter. Now let's talk about the skills required. You should have good knowledge of MS Excels, pivot table, VLOOKUP, reporting. You should have basic knowledge of supply chain concepts, and the basic knowledge of ERP SAP systems is an advantage. Second, soft skills should also good communications. You should be confident, professional, and you should have problem solving mindset, and you should be able to work in team. Also, time management and learning attitude is very important, because Accenture people value who learn fast and adapt quickly. Now let's talk about the career prospects. This job role has excellent career growth. With experience, you can become a supply chain analyst, then become a senior analyst. Later, you can grow into operation consultant roles, and then you can become a project lead or manager in Accenture. You can also provide opportunities to work with large clients and sometimes even the global projects. So you can also get stability but also strong growth and learning. Now I want to conclude this video with job role management trainee supply chain and operations at Accenture is a great opportunity for MBA supply chain students. It offers real business exposure, improve your analytical skills, strengthen your communication, and also provide strong corporate career path. If you are someone who is interested in supply chain logistics and operation, then Accenture is definitely a great company to target. Thank you so much for watching this video.